Okay, so the Teenage Engineering TP-7 communicates with computers through the media transfer protocol. Normally, you launch the media transfer protocol by holding the stop button while powering the TP-7 up connected to a computer. However, while using a Mac, the OS doesn't natively support media transfer protocol, so you had to use the FieldKit application to transfer files. So I head over to the Teenage Engineering website and went into the manual for TP-7. Normally I'm a quite lazy guy, so I hit Command F and search for the word for the specific topic I'm looking for, but it isn't possible really, since the manual is like, yeah, it's pictures basically. So you have to scroll down to the final section where the file transfer information is based. And yeah, here you can read a little bit how you connect, how do you launch MTP mode. And it's also written that Teenage Engineering recommend using the FieldKit application if you're on a Mac using OS, which is a good recommendation, but it's also the only way to transfer files to a Mac. So maybe they should change this to something like the files are only accessible through the FieldKit app. And if you look into the FieldKit app, which is a different manual, it only mentions OP field, and it says that it is for the rest of the field systems, but it doesn't mention TP-7 at all. It's completely focused on the OP1, and it's also the look when you launch FieldKit while using OP1. It doesn't look like this at all while using the TP-7, which is a little bit confusing. So this is when you follow the links and head over to App Store. It looks like this, but I already installed it, so I open it up. And yeah, you can compare how it looks here. So this is how it looks for the TP-7. And when you have the FieldKit app installed and open, you can plug in your TP-7 with USB-C and power it up. You don't need to hold the stop or anything, just power it up. And it's visible in the app. It looks like this. And you take a little switch to the right, and it opens up like a thumb drive. All files accessible, perfect, flawless. And with the TP-7 in disk mode open like a hard drive, you can just copy and paste whatever files you want to transfer to your computer. So you just have to remember to use the field application. That's the only way you can transfer files to a Mac. Open up the field application, do a little switch to the right, and it opens up perfectly.